once again, before the break, we asked what governs appropriacy. The following variables seem to provide some of the answers. Setting. Where are we when we use language? What situations are we in? Participants. Who is taking part in the language exchange? Purpose. What is the purpose of the speaker or the writer? Is it to invite or to explain? To apologize or to disagree? To explain or to demand? Channel. Is the communication face-to-face? Does it take place over the phone? Is it contained in a letter or a novel? Topic. What are the words about? A wedding? The latest film? All these factors influence language users in their choice of words. What are we trying to say then? Even armed with language competence and lexical knowledge, language users may not be able to operate efficiently unless they appreciate how language is used. Grammatical competence is not enough. Language users should also have communicative competence. That is, a subconscious knowledge of language use and of language as discourse. Communicative competence involves not just competence in the grammar, vocabulary, and the like, but also a knowledge of how language is used appropriately and how language is used as discourse. In this episode, we have noted the possibility of integrating grammar with other macro skills. When we do integration, remember to have a focus skill for each activity. It could be a focus first on listening, then speaking, then reading and writing, interspersed with the teaching of grammar. When we were discussing the teaching of voice, we also said that we are able to make our students aware of the reason for the use of the active and the passive voice. We told them to use the active voice if they see that the doer of the action is more important than the receiver. However, if the receiver is more important, we use the passive voice. We likewise said that we should teach form and function. We cannot detach one from the other. And lastly, grammatical competence is not enough to teach our students. They should have a subconscious knowledge of language use and of language function. We hope you have learned a lot from the last 6 episodes we've had on the teaching of grammar. In the next episode, we shall take up the testing of grammar. Again, this is your host for the grammar segments, Liz Lorenzo, saying goodbye and happy teaching.